practice this video French verb conjugation like or verb in the present tense. Example, parle is nothing but to speak. Je parle, to talk or I am talking. Tu parles, you talk or you are talking. Il parle, he talks or he is talking. Elle parle, she talks and she is talking. On parle, we talk, we are talking. And nous parlons, we talk and we are talking. And vous parlez, you talk and you are talking. Ils parlent, they talk, they are talking. Elle parle, they talk and they are talking. This is how we have to conjugate French or verb in present tense for parle, which er conjugation. Merci beaucoup.